Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you exactly how to play GTA 5 online. So for that you will need first the official game of GTA 5 and then inside that you will get the GTA 5 online option. Now in order to play the online version of GTA 5 you will also need to create an account in the Rockstar Games website, which you can just simply check right over here. As you can see, my account is already logged in. Now you will need to make an account, and when you will open GTA 5 online for the first time, you will need to sign in with that account. And you will also need to install Rockstar services on your computer, but it should already be installed in your system if you have already downloaded and installed GTA 5. Now, just simply create an account on Rockstar Games. So just simply go to the Rockstar Games website and then just simply create an account over here. As you can see, my account is already here. Now after that, just simply create an account, and then when you will open the game for the very first time, over here you will have an option to customize your character. So on that screen, it will look something like this when you will open the GTA 5 online for the very first time. You will have your default character over here, and now all you have to do is just simply customize the character however you like by going to the heritage option, features, appearance, whatever you want. Just simply create your own character, and in the end, click on save and continue. And then enter a name of your character that you want the world to see, and then just simply click on enter, and then you will have your GTA 5 character, and then you're good to go to play on the GTA 5 online servers. After that, a cutscene will happen and then you will be inside the GTA 5 online map. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to our channel, and